Welcome back to the Mindset and CEO Habits series. I'm ADELINE Atlas, and today we're hitting a core block that stops so many powerful women from showing up the way they were born to, caring too much what people think. Whether it's friends watching your Instagram, family silently judging your business, or strangers online throwing shade, it's natural to feel the pressure. But if you want to lead, if you want to sell, if you want to grow a brand that moves, you have to learn how to stop outsourcing your worth to other people's opinions. Let's break it down so you can stop shrinking, start leading, and finally move with the clarity your business deserves. First, you're not weak for caring. Let's name this. If you care what people think, it doesn't mean you're insecure. It means you're human. The fear of judgment is built into your survival brain. But the difference between a personal brand that expands and one that stays stuck is this. Some people feel the fear and post anyway. Some people feel the fear and spend the next 3 hours editing a caption they never publish. The goal isn't to never care. It's to stop letting it control you. Step 1. Define whose opinions actually matter. Not everyone watching your content is qualified to have an opinion on your business. And yet, most people stay silent because of an ex who still follows them, a cousin they haven't talked to in years, a friend from college who sells something similar. Here's a reframe. Is this person in the arena with me? Are they building, risking, creating, selling? If the answer is no, their opinion doesn't belong in your decision-making process. Stop filtering your message through the lens of people who were never meant to receive it. Step 2. Understand why judgment stings. Judgment hurts because we're afraid there's truth in it. You're afraid. They'll think you're cringy, and maybe you do feel awkward sometimes. They'll think you're not successful enough, and maybe your business is still growing. They'll think you're copying, and maybe you are still finding your voice. But here's what makes you a leader. You keep going anyway. You refine in real time. You build even while becoming. Judgment stings most when you haven't decided yet who you are. So decide. Own it. Speak like someone who believes in what they offer. And the fear of judgment will start to shrink. Step 3. Let your future self be louder than their opinions. Every time you stay silent out of fear of being judged, you're choosing someone else's comfort over your own growth. Ask yourself, would my future self, the one running the 6-figure business, let this person's opinion stop her from showing up? Would she hide because of one unfollow? Would she apologize for selling her offer? Lead from her, not from the past version of you who needed permission. Step 4. Replace assumption with action. When you care what people think, your mind starts filling in blanks. They must be rolling their eyes at this post. She saw my story and didn't engage. She probably thinks I'm too much. They probably think I'm faking it. Stop trying to read minds. Start reading your metrics. Instead of wondering what people are thinking, look at your click-through rate. Check your open rates. Notice who's DMing you, saving your content, sharing your stories. Let data, not fear, guide your next move. Step 5. Build detachment.